U.S. History students, and welcome to the Week 12 quiz. This quiz will have a total of 9 questions. When you get to the end of the quiz, make sure to click Submit Quiz so that the grade shows up in your gradebook and is visible to you on your end. We will be reading the question and the answer options for each question. Question 1. What event started the Cold War? Stalin refused to allow free elections in Eastern Europe, forcing nations to be communist. 2 atomic bombs were dropped on Japan. Stalin was not invited to the Yalta Conference, causing feelings of hatred towards the U.S. Soviet troops invaded the Rhineland, which concerned both Britain and the U.S. Question 2. What was the Iron Curtain? A powerful agreement forged at Yalta at the end of World War II. The security arrangement that Stalin made to protect himself. Material used to make Soviet tanks. The imaginary boundary line separating communist countries from democracies in Europe. Question 3. What was the key point of the policy of containment? Keep U.S. troops in Western Germany. Prosecute former Nazis in the Nuremberg trials. Not to let communism expand to any other countries. Or to set up alliances in South Asia. Question 4. What act signaled the beginning of the Korean War? North Korea invaded South Korea. South Korea invaded North Korea. China invaded North Korea. Soviet Union invaded North Korea. What was the outcome of the Korean War? North and South Korea united to become one democratic country. An initial truce led to a peace treaty that established South Korea as communist and North Korea as a democracy. The United States took the entire peninsula and created a colony. North and South Korea remained separate with a demilitarized zone along the 38th parallel. Question 6. What was NATO? The National Alliance for Training Organization, a school formed to coordinate military training for the Allies. The New Atlantic Testing Operation, formed to monitor the detonation of atomic bombs. The North Atlantic Treaty Organization, a pact among Western nations to defend against Soviet aggression. The National Artifact Tactical Organization, formed to retrieve artifacts stolen by the Nazis during the war. Which of the items below did not happen after the Soviet Union created their own atomic bomb? A long period of world peace with no fighting anywhere in the world. Fear of mutually assured destruction for both countries. Brinkmanship, or going all the way to the brink of nuclear war between the Soviet Union and the United States. Or the buildup of personal bomb shelters and drills in case of nuclear weapons launch. Question 8. What was the name given to the tactic of spreading fear of communist activities in the U.S., often using baseless accusations? McCarthyism, MacArthurism, Marshallism, Trumanism, or McCarthyism. Question 9. What was one result of U.S. covert actions in the Middle East that had a significant impact on U.S. foreign policy? Anti-American sentiment in that region. More nations were grateful for U.S. support and involvement. Few know of their existence, so there was little impact. Cool movies based on the life of spies that were located in these areas. When you get to the end of your quiz, again, be sure to click Submit Quiz so it shows up correctly in your gradebook. Good luck!